How are you, brother?
I'm good, boss. I'm good.
Good. You start polishing?
Yeah. This is car polishing.
Yeah.
From car polishing, you can see now the difference between this and this.
Yes.
This one is the first step is compound.
That's parts finish.
This part not finished. This
Not
part is the first
need
one
more.
is the cutting. Yes, we call it compound.
Yeah.
So this one and this one, you can see the difference.
Difference.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's very big difference by polishing. So
Yes.
it is this before
Yeah.
and this now you can see the difference. This is before and this is now.
So
This
you
is the
one time
difference.
compound cutting
Yes,
compound,
yes.
right?
Yeah, this is cutting compounds. And I need to put polish, then I put wax.
3 parts.
Three, yeah, three.
Right. Good. So you can start there, huh?
Yeah. I will do this now so you can see again the difference. Just like this. You can see this.
So that area with
Yeah, this is sanding because it have a damage before, so they paint it, so we sand, so we are going to polish it now.
okay, blend.
Yeah.
Repaint.
Yes,
This
yes.
part repaint, huh?
Yes.
Okay, right. Good. That's cutting compound, right?
Yes.
Remove the scratch.
Remove all the scratch.
Oh, nice. This one only removes scratch.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.